Hey there, it's Hanky and Frankie Designs here. Today I'm going to show you very quickly how you can edit our Christmas activity cards and make them your own. And we're going to do that in Canva. It's really easy. When you purchase our template, which if you'd like that, there's a link down below in the description and that'll take you to our shop. Once you purchase, you'll get a template link and you just click on that link. It'll take you right into Canva here and you can begin editing. So when you open it up, you'll see that there's a number of sheets that are able to be edited with your own activities. I've included 3, but you can really easily just duplicate those pages by clicking on that button there. And then below that, you've got the template, which is blank, where you can just print this out straight away and you can write in it yourself or you can draw in it. You can get your kids to draw in them and, make it a cool, fun Christmas activity for them to do, keep them busy for, 20 minutes. But what I'll show you today is how you can actually edit these versions up here. So you'll see when I hover around these text boxes here, they highlight. So you can edit any of these texts and you can also edit the images as well. So all you have to do is click and highlight the text and then you can change that there. So let's just say that I want to say, find your gift where you sleep. Okay, and you can see that the text has actually gone in over the graphics. So to change the size of the font, just select the text box, come up here, and you can decrease the text by clicking the minus or the plus button there. Really easy to do. If you want to change the image, the graphic, you can do that. This is a graphic that comes with a free Canva account. So you can keep the Santa, or if you'd like to change it to something else Christmassy, come across to the side here under Elements. You can search for anything that you like. So you can search for, let's say, Christmas tree, and then underneath, all of the options will come up that are associated with Christmas tree, and they're categorized here as well. So if you click on graphics is usually a good one to go to, and then it'll come up. Anything that does not have a little Canva Pro element against it is free. So all you need is a free Canva account and you can get all these cool graphics. Otherwise, if you've got a Canva Pro account, that's great. It just means that you can have a few extra graphics, but it's really easy. So all you need to do is get rid of this graphic here by deleting, and then come over here. I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to resize by dragging the corner. Then I'm going to move by selecting the tree itself into the position. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller again. Drag and center, you can see these pink lines come up. That guides you where to go. And then done. You can change all of the other ones if you like. And then when you're ready to print, come up to the share button here. Come down to download. And then the best setting I find for printing is PDF print. I often flatten it. I find it just prints a little bit better. And then you can also select which page you want to print as well. So if you just want the first page, unselect all pages, click on page 1, click on done, click download, and then that will go to your downloads folder. You can open that up in Adobe Acrobat Reader if that's what you've got. And you can print from there or just print how you usually print. I would suggest that you fit it to the page that you're, the page size that you're printing from. And that's how you edit our Christmas activity cards. Awesome activity to do with kids or to pop into their advent calendar pockets and send them on a cute little treasure hunt. Or you can put types of activities that you could do. So you could do, let's bake a Christmas cake or let's decorate the tree or, something like that. We actually have in our shop a whole range of advent activity cards. So we'll pop the link to that in the description down below as well, if you'd like that. There you go. Have a wonderful Christmas. Bye.